Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete products from your cart in the LEROY MERLIN app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the LEROY MERLIN app. Then go to your cart. On the bottom, the fourth icon is your cart, and here I have my items in my cart. So here next to the product on the right side, you can multiply by tapping on this green plus to have more of this item, or you can tap on delete, then it will delete it. It's right below the number. Or you can tap on the minus and it's deleting your product from your cart. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.